Artificial intelligence influences our daily lives. It shapes how we interact, work, and even think. Understanding it isn't just fascinating, it's essential for navigating the future. Grasping the workings of AI can empower you to make informed decisions in a tech-driven world, enhancing both personal and professional growth. Artificial intelligence presents complexity. Many use it without knowing how it operates. This lack of understanding leads to misuse and skepticism. For example, users may trust recommendations blindly or fear AI-driven decisions, overlooking the importance of critical evaluation and awareness of limitations. Before we dive in, here is the big picture of how does artificial intelligence work. Understanding how all the pieces fit together will make every step easier to follow. Artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence. It analyzes data, recognizes patterns, and learns from experiences, similar to how we learn. For instance, it can predict movie recommendations by examining your viewing history and preferences, showcasing its ability to tailor experiences uniquely for each user. AI works like a recipe. You gather ingredients, follow steps, and get a dish. Data is the ingredient, and algorithms are the steps that create outcomes. Just as chefs might adjust recipes based on desired flavors and techniques, AI fine-tunes its algorithms to improve predictions and results. Deep learning, a branch of AI, uses layers of neural networks. Each layer processes information, refining inputs much like a sculptor chisels away stone to reveal a figure. The connections between nodes get stronger with each layer, allowing the model to recognize increasingly complex patterns, akin to developing expertise. Artificial intelligence works step by step. First, it collects data from various sources, like user interactions, sensors, or databases. Then, it processes this data using algorithms designed to analyze patterns. Finally, it produces outputs or predictions based on that analysis, ready to assist or inform users effectively. Google uses AI in its search algorithms, where it learns user preferences over time. This enables it to rank search results accordingly, making suggestions more relevant based on past behavior. For instance, if you often search for hiking gear, Google is likely to display related content higher, enhancing user experience. When applied correctly, AI enhances productivity. Businesses can optimize operations, personalize services, and make data-driven decisions effectively. For instance, AI allows companies to predict customer behavior, reducing waste and improving inventory management, which translates to increased profitability and customer satisfaction. Remember these key points about AI. First, it mimics human intelligence through learning and pattern recognition. Second, deep learning powers its capabilities, enabling complex problem solving. Lastly, proper application boosts productivity, making it a vital tool across various industries. Consider the trade-off of explainability in AI. Complex models offer accuracy but can be opaque, making it hard for users to understand how decisions are made. This lack of transparency can affect user trust and accountability, as users might question the fairness or bias of the AI's decisions without insight into its workings. After mastering AI basics, explore specific applications. Dive into machine learning, robotics, or natural language processing for deeper understanding. Each of these fields unpacks unique challenges and innovations, expanding your AI expertise and opening new career opportunities or personal interests. Follow us for more concepts in AI. Each topic reveals new insights to enhance your understanding and application. Stay curious, and let's explore the future of technology together.